Welcome to TV Hacks and a new video. In this video we will show you some remote control hacks for your Samsung TV. Now let's start. And before we start, two important things. First, you need the remote control with all buttons. And second, this tutorial works for all Samsung TV. It doesn't matter how old your Samsung TV is. Maybe 10 years, it works also. And now we start with number one. Number one, press mute 247 exit on the remote control. And you will become this message, say I plus testing succeeded. Now so you can test your common interface, it works or it doesn't works. Number two, press on your remote control mute 119 enter and a new menu will disappear. This is the hospitality mode. Here you can set it on and if you set on you have here many functions and settings. You can here set your TV to a hospitality mode. Number three, switch off TV and press on the remote control info menu mute standby. And if you press quickly this button, you can get into the service menu. You can see it on the left side on your TV. To get off this menu, you must switch off your TV. Number four, press and hold the info button on the remote control. Hold it for 5 seconds and you will disappear this menu. You can see here the frequency, the bit correction and many more. This you can test it if your quality is enough or you have a bad quality. Number five, you want to know how much operation hours your TV has. So press on your remote control, fast forward, play, pause, back, forward.
6, 7, 8, 0, 5, 2, 4, 2, 0, 2.
And now you hear the minutes, how many operation hours your TV have. If you have some remote codes for us, let us know it. TV Hack says thanks for watching and goodbye.